Welcome to my channel Lazy Fellows. I am your pharmabahen. Hello guys, let's start a new series of covering overview of different departments of JNTU University syllabus of M.Pharmacy. Let's start with the Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance. In this we have modern pharmaceutical analytical techniques, pharmaceutical quality control and quality assurance. Elective subjects, we can choose any one of these. Quality management systems, drug regulatory affairs, pharmaceutical food analysis, and next elective subjects in this we can choose any one like product development and technology transfer, advanced pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutical management. In the lab we have modern pharmaceutical analytical technical lab and lab 2 pharmaceutical quality control and quality assurance. Coming to semester 2 we have pharmaceutical validation, pharmaceutical manufacturing technology, and elective subjects like hazard safety management, spectral analysis, screening methods in pharmacology. And then we have pharmaceutical audits, regulatory compliance, herbal drug technology, stability and drugs dosage forms. And then the lab 3 we have pharmaceutical validation lab and pharmaceutical manufacturing technology lab. And in the second year first semester, that means third semester, we have biostatistics, scale up and technology transfer, production area and design, packing and development. Coming to the first semester first subject, that is modern pharmaceutical analytical technique. This is a subject which is present in Osmania University many departments. Introduction to chromatography, classification of chromatographic methods based on the mechanism and separation, column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, gas chromatography, HPLC, HPTLC. In the unit 6 we have UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, NMR. And the next subject is we have pharmaceutical quality control and quality assurance. In this we have impurity stability studies, impurities in new drug products, impurities in residual solvents, concepts of regulatory, concepts of quality control, concepts of quality assurance, quality management system, guidelines of quality assurance of human blood products. And next we have organization, personal responsibilities, training, hygiene, premises, equipments. And in the Unit 4 we have packing and labeling controls, quality control laboratory responsibilities, good laboratory practices, manufacturing and control and dosage form. And then we quality management system. In this unit 1 we introduce about the quality and the main dimensions of quality, etc. And in the next unit is pharmaceutical quality management like IHS and ISO. We will be covering in that, and WHO and 6 system inspection model, drug stability, statistical process control. And then we have regulatory affairs. In this we have drug regulatory aspects, central and state bodies, new drug importation and good manufacturing practices, GMP, detailed study of regulatory aspects that affect drug product design, documentation related to manufacturing cleaning methods, and governing regulatory bodies across the globe like US, DMF, Canadian and European, product filling and approval procedures. Subject is pharmaceutical food analysis. In this we have carbohydrates, probiotics, lipids, vitamins, general analytical methods, analysis of fermentation products. And the next sub product development and technology transfer. In this we have principles of drug discovery and development, pre-formulation studies, plant scale up, pharmaceutical packaging technology transfer. In the next subject is advanced pharmaceutical analysis. In this unit 1 we have procedures and principles of non-aqueous, oxidation reduction, diazotization methods, neutralization, acid bases. And then we have amines, esters, carbonyl compounds, hydroxyl, carboxyls, amino acids. And next we have reference standards and principles procedures involved in reagents like this. And next we have analysis of excipients of interest, dissolution test, microbial assay. The next subject is pharmaceutical management. In this we have pharmaceutical management, fundamental concepts of production, financial, personal, legal, marketing functions with a special reference to pharmaceutical management, understanding organization, professional managers, management of industrial relationships. In the next, research methodology, IPR. In this we have Unit 1, meaning of research problem, sources of research problem, all about the research, effective literature studies, approaches, analysis, plagiarism, and research ethics. Next, technical writing, nature of intellectual properties, property rights. And the next lab is modern pharmaceutical analytical techniques lab. These are the experiments. This is the lab 2, and these are the experiments. Coming to the second semester, first subject, that is pharmaceutical validation, introduction to validation systems and qualification, then qualification of analytical instruments, glassware, qualification of laboratory equipments, validation of utility systems, clean validation, analytical method validation. Coming to the next subject, that is pharmaceutical manufacturing technology. In this, we have pharmaceutical industry developments, aseptic process technology, non-sterile manufacturing process technology, containers and closures for pharmaceuticals, quality by design QBD, and process analytical technology. And then we have hazards and safety management. In this, we have multidisciplinary nature and environmental studies, energy resources, land resources, ecosystems, and air-based hazards, chemical-based hazards, fire explosion, hard and risk management. And the next subject is spectral analysis. In this, we have FTNIR, ATR, electrometric technology, spectrophlorimetry, flame emission spectroscopy, and atomic absorption spectroscopy, FT Raman effect. Then we have screening methods of pharmacology. Screening methods in the pharmacology. In this, we have care handling, breed techniques of laboratory animals, bioassays, toxicity tests, and organization screening for pharmacological activity, organization screening for pharmacological activity of new substances, emphasizing on cardiac and antibiotic activities, psychopharmacological and anti-inflammatory, anti-analgesic activities. Audits and regulatory compliance. We have introduction, role of quality systems audits in pharmaceutical manufacturing environment, auditing of vendors and product department, auditing of microbial laboratories, auditing of quality assurance and engineering departments. Herbal drug technology. In this, we have equipments of preparing herbal extracts, size reduction, filtration, evaporation, distillation, drying of extracts, solvent recovery. Then we have a definition, classification, and of natural excipients, methods of preparation and evaluation of herbal tablets, regulation and claims, food laws and regulations, natural colorants and natural sweeteners. Next subject is stability of drugs and dosage forms. In this, we have drug decomposition mechanism, solid state chemical decomposition, physical state decompositions, and identification and quantification, determination of preservatives, antioxidants, coloring materials, etc., and general methods of analysis of determining the quality of raw material used in cosmetic industry, methods analysis to determine quality of cosmetics of finished forms like hair care, skin care, etc. Next, we have pharmaceutical validation lab. In this, we have the experiments in the lab. This is the experiments present in the second semester lab, that is pharmaceutical manufacturing technology lab. Coming to second year biostatistics. In this, we have introduction to scope of biostatistics, measure of central tendency, probability rules, analysis of variance ANOVA, hypothesis testing, and non-parametric. Next is scale up and technology transfer. In this, we have pilot, plant design, validation, equipment qualification, process validation, and industrial safety hazards. Then we have a production area design, packing development. In this, we have production area design, current good manufacturing practices, pharmaceutical packing and design, stability of packing, packing solids and semi-solids, parenterals, ophthalmics, and aerosols. Then we have English research paper, planning and preparing, clarification who did what and highlights, review of literature, key skills needed for when writing, skills are needed when writing methods